Hello, I'm Dr. Niecikowski.
I'm Jackie.
And so if you've been watching our series on games that focus on developing math skills, we're going to take a look at Quick Picks Math. And this is a game I've been using for 16 years. I've used it with my third graders and with intervention after school. And tell us why that you wanted to have a game with multiplication.
Because I definitely need it.
And this is for your fifth grader.
Definitely.
And this just frequently happens. And I remember we used to have a rewards whole situation set up in third grade to try to get kids to learn their multiplication facts. We did it every week, our test. And you still had students at the end of third grade not knowing all their facts. So it's not uncommon for students to be in fourth and fifth grade still not knowing all their facts. In fact, one of the reasons why students struggle in algebra their freshman year is because they still don't know their multiplication facts. And algebra is one of the courses that can determine whether or not a child will drop out of high school.
Interesting.
So it took me 3 times to get algebra, by the way. And I did know my multiplication facts, but that's a different story. I dropped out of high school. I did.
You did?
I did drop out of high school,
Wow.
yeah. And I had to go to an alternative school.
Oh, okay.
Anyway, so I struggled with learning when I was younger. And that's a different story for a different day. But this is one of the better multiplication games. It's a step above flashcards. It's better than bingo. But it's not a game that is authentic. It's not something you'd want to play with your family and friends for fun when it comes to doing a game night.
Yeah.
You play this because it is better than worksheets and bingo and flashcards. All right, so let's take a look at how you play. Oops. So you have 74 problems, and so the whole deck is your basic, 9. There's no zeros. In fact, there's even any ones in here? I don't think there's even ones. So I think it's 2 through 9. Yeah, because 1s and zeros are pretty easy. So you're going to turn that over, and then this becomes the draw deck. And then each player receives 5 of these answer cards. And it's a speed game. You're trying to get rid of your 5 cards when a problem is revealed. So if this is revealed, 3 times 7 is 21. Got lucky that it was on the top.
First one.
If both players have 21, the first one to play it gets rid of it. If no players have the correct of their, so in other words, if I have 5 cards here and I don't have 21 on any one of them, I say no. I don't have it. And if Jackie says no, then we just go on to the next problem card. We're not able to answer that one. That's okay. So we flip up the next one. And do I have 15? Yes, I do. So if I played mine first, I'd get rid of it, and that would be my pair. So the object is to get 5 pairs, and I still have 4 cards left. So let's get it going here. Dun, 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 dun. So shuffle up 5 cards here. And how many people can play this here? If you could take a look on the side.
2 to 6 players, ages 7 and up.
Yes. So, and again, you can also, before I forget, allow for children with different abilities. You can remove cards to say you only wanted them to work on their 6, 7s, and 8s and 9s because they know the other ones, and you just take those cards out. I've done that before. Or if you want to only have them work on their 2 through 5s, you take out the 6, 7, 8s, and 9s. You could also give students that are struggling a times sheet and give them a head start. I've done that before, or I say to the others, or I'll show the card just to that student. I'll be like this. The other students can't see it, and I give them a head start, and I count, to 10 seconds, and then the other kids, and then I put it down, and the other kids who know their multiplication facts better than the student that needs to look at their times table can jump in then.
Okay, that's
So you can give a 5-second or 10-second head start and give them their times table. So there's a way to modify things to allow students of different abilities, or children of different abilities in this case, because we're talking about using it as a parent. All right, so here is the deck. And so Jackie is going to show your cards right here. And here I'm going to put the picture on. And I'm going to set up my cards so people know what 5 we drew. We're just going to do a couple turns. Okay, so you're ready to go on yours. Now I'm not going to look at, well, it really doesn't matter if we see each other's cards. It's not like I'm going to memorize it. But for the purposes of students, actually you can play open-handed. I don't think kids would care. I don't think it's going to give you much of an advantage. All right, so I'm going to flip up the first card on this camera. And so if we don't have it, we're going to say no. If we do have it, the first one to put it right here where my hand is. Okay?
Okay.
So here we go.
No.
All right, next one. So I got that pair.
Okay.
Okay. So again, it is a speed game.
Yeah.
Okay. So we'll do a couple more here. Let me remove that one. So I did.
Yeah, I
did
don't have it.
You don't have 49.
No.
Okay. So now to simulate, I'll wait. Since I'm ahead, I'll wait 5 seconds.
Okay.
No.
No.
Okay, next one. No.
No.
All right, next one.
No.
No. All right, so just put it in the camera.
Okay.
Yeah, so there you go, 18. So someone who's a little quicker, you could do the countdown like that to give if you're facilitating an
Okay.
opponent or the teacher.
Okay.
So you would have one pair. You still have 4 left here. I have, I forgot to put my, I have 2 pairs here. And the first one to get rid of 3 cards, all 5 win. So the nice thing about this is that even if you don't have the number, it has you practice anyway.
True.
So even though I don't have 28, right? I'm still thinking, what is that
But you
number?
know it's
And then you look. So every card, you're still going to be practicing.
Yeah.
All right. So that is quick picks multiplication. So what do you think?
I really like it, definitely. Yeah, they would definitely benefit. I think we would all benefit.
Well, very cool. All right. Well, thanks for watching. I'm David.
And I'm Jackie.
All right. See you in the next video.
Bye.
Bye-bye.